Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two trading bot platform, which is Trojanbot and TradeWiz. So let's get started with a in-depth review about these two platforms. Trojanbot is a well-established and feature-rich Telegram bot we own for its comprehensive suite of tools, which include advanced order types like limit and dollar cost averaging, which is DCA, MEV protection, and a robust copy trading functionalities. This extensive set of features allow for more controlled and strategic trading even within the volatile meme coin market, and its long-standing presence and continuous development contribute to its reputation for reliable and fast execution. Talking about TradeWiz, on the other hand, also offer core trading features, appears to place a significant emphasis on social and copy trading alongside tools for identifying smart money, wallet, and tracking influential traders. Its smart wallet features aim to help users replicate the strategies of consistent, profitable traders, and it integrates with platforms like GMGN and a call scan for deep insight into a chain activity. While this can be a powerful approach for meme coin trading by leveraging the intelligence of others, information on TradeWiz, raw sniping speed, or advanced order types might be less prominent than Trojanbot offering. In conclusion, if you prioritize a wide array of advanced trading control and independent strategies, Trojanbot might be more suitable, whereas if you prefer to leverage social insight and copy trading successful meme coin flipping, TradeWiz could be a better fit for you. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.